Want to add Seek to Reveal Instagram story? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily add Seek to Reveal Instagram story. First thing first, move into Insta app. Make sure that you are logged in into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. Now you need to swipe right and head over to your story section. Click on gallery icon at the bottom left corner. Choose any of the specific photo you want to add to story. Once you've selected, now click on the sticker icon at the top. In this page, you can see tons of different options, but what you need to do is you have to click on frames right beside photo stripes. Now select any of the photo that you want to add it as Seek to Reveal. Let me select this one. Once selected, you can also add a caption to it, and then click on Done. You can see it says your photo will reveal on Seek. Now you can place this photo anywhere on the screen. Once you have placed it, click on your story at the bottom left corner. Once the story has been uploaded, now people will be able to view your story, but for them to view the frame photo, they will need to seek the device and then only the photo will be revealed. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.